Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your OPPO A52, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get the application from the Lutin developer, this one. Launcher iOS 14 beta, click install. Click open. Click allow 3 times and then just tap on the home button. But by the way, as you can see here we get a lot of options to customize this launcher, so we can try one of them. Click on the home button and then select iOS launcher 13. Select don't ask again. Click on the we got it on the notification, and that's how our launcher has changed. Here we got also the widgets. We can try to edit and add some of them here. Select don't ask again, tap on the iOS launcher 13 one more time, and we can also try to edit the bottom bar and add some icon here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!